Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tips and tricks for all of you Windows 10 users that will be moving to the October 2018 update. One of the great features that is going to make life easier as long as people use it is that in the Cortana search box. We already talked about it, how great of a search box it is, with more information now about all the information, about all the the websites, the things you're searching, the software you might want. But look at this. Say you're looking for a piece of software on the internet. That has always been a big problem for a lot of users for security, because many websites will try to fool you into thinking that they are the ones where you can download a piece of software. So for example, you want to download the desktop version of iTunes. Well, you would just type iTunes in the Cortana search, and look at this. The search result in that panel here already gives you apple.com/iTunes, which is the official link, or you even have download iTunes here. So you know what? You can't go wrong, because it actually brings you to the place where you need to go. And this is amazingly cool. Now, if this could be used by most people, I think it would really help out in preventing malware and bad software to install while you're trying to get another piece of software. So say I want to have Adobe Reader. I'll type Adobe Reader here, and look, same thing. It brings you to the web page, the proper web page, where you can get and download the Adobe Reader, for example, if you need it on your computer. This is really cool, actually, and I can see this being a very useful feature of Windows 10 in the October 2018 update. And it is nice because it makes it so much safer now to download the software that you're looking for. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.